In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo or unsend an email in Zoho Mail. Many of us have experienced that sinking feeling when we hit send on an email, only to immediately realize there's a mistake. Whether it's a typo, a forgotten attachment, or sending it to the wrong recipient, the need to unsend an email is very real. Luckily, Zoho Mail offers a simple solution for this common dilemma. To get started, let's navigate to Zoho Mail. If you haven't already, open your web browser and log into your Zoho Mail account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to locate the settings icon, which is typically represented by a gear or cogwheel. Click on this icon to access the settings menu, where you can customize numerous features to tailor your email experience. In the settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Compose. Click on this, as it's the area we'll be working with to set up our unsend feature. Within the Compose settings, look for the Undo Interval option. This is the feature that allows you to specify a period within which you can retract a sent email. Once you've located the undo interval, you should see a checkbox associated with this setting. Make sure to click the checkbox to activate the Undo Send feature. This step is crucial because without activating this option, you won't be able to utilize the unsend function. Now that you've enabled the feature, it's time to decide on the specific amount of time you want for the cancellation period. Type in the number of seconds you'd like to have to reconsider and retract your email. Typically, users might opt for a range between 5 to 30 seconds, depending on personal preference and how often they find themselves needing to unsend emails. Now, let's talk about best practices. Choosing a longer undo time gives you a safety net but also delays the sending of all emails within the specified period. Think about your usual workflow and decide what's best for your daily routine. Once you've set the desired time and are satisfied with the configuration, you can simply exit the settings menu. From this point forward, each time you send an email, you'll see an option on your screen allowing you to undo the action within the time frame you've selected. In conclusion, this simple yet effective feature in Zoho Mail can be a lifesaver when email mishaps occur. By activating the Undo Send function, you equip yourself with an easy way to take back emails that might not be ready for prime time. It's about gaining control over email errors and ensuring your communication remains clear and professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.